The elevation, it was like the whole side where the garage and the kitchen is. So that was kind of bowed. So it was an interior wall.
Here or here?
No. Yeah, one of them.
Yeah, even you see this one, it does not look straight to me. Is it like curved or just?
There's a couple of things. They definitely have some problems with this already going on. You can see like the concrete settling. They got red X's on there where it's settled and busted up. That I know they're marking it so they can probably fix it, but it's definitely settling issue. A lot of stuff.
Yeah. No. What? मगर ये घर को भी इश्यूज दिख रहे पुराने. हाँ, वहाँ पे बाहर कंक्रीट सेटल नहीं हुआ बोले. Same issues here as well.
Not as much because I don't definitely not.
Now you see the human. See, they have these handles in this house. Okay.
What's the price of this one? It's cheaper than
Price
the one
drop.
you guys are getting?
Yeah.
Also, there's sometimes extra shelves in the cupboard, so that's nice.
Oh yeah, they were gonna do that. So like when we talked about the linen shelves, where they're supposed to be on the laundry room and the other one, the construction foreman said they don't put them in.
That's nice. But do you like it or not? After the finish, and that's it.
Yeah, the road on the other side.
This yard's a little bit more level than the other one too.
Yeah, even they have.
Wood joiners that kind of hold the plywood together as one piece, and maybe they missed some of those as well.
Bus.